What up, my tech squad? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I came back from the Apple Store with another product review unboxing. It is gonna be the Apple Pencil Generation 2 unboxing. Let's begin with unboxing the Apple box. Wait, is there a tab? Oh, there's a tab. I don't need my knife. Can close my knife. That's satisfying. How do you open up? There's a pull tab. You don't really need a knife. Wait a minute. How do you open this? Oh, you slide out. Like this. Designed by Apple in California. And there it is. Here is the Apple Pencil. It's a nice weight. I got this for college so I can take notes easy in my class. What else is in the packaging? Any Apple stickers or no? No, just a how-to guide. And that's it. Wow. That's how it looks like. It's a nice weight to it. I actually like it. Apple Pencil. So yeah, let's go and set it up. I have this special case with it. Let's wait. Wow. Welcome to the Apple Pencil. Continue. Explore. Double tap on your Apple Pencil to switch between the tool you're using and the eraser. Done. And that's it. %. Subscribe. This is actually really nice. So yeah, if you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the like button, and see you next video. Peace out.